Hey, property managers and realtors out there, it's Kyle here at A Touch of Glass, and we're doing some quotes today on, I believe it's March 2nd, and we just had a huge snowfall this year. Actually yesterday, last night, and a little bit today. So I just wanted to make a quick little video about how can we, do we actually clean windows when it gets to -0 or below? And the answer to that is absolutely, we can clean windows outside all the way up into -20 degrees, and the windows come out sparkling. Once it gets to -20 or below, it just gets incredibly uncomfortable, and just like everybody else, we don't like to be out here, but anything -20 and warmer, if I could say, is we don't mind at all, and we can get your windows sparkling and looking good. And everybody stay warm and stay home. It's no fun being out here. Have a good one.